Hello and welcome to Adi Labs. Today we are going to have a look at voice controlled LED using Adi Mini. So here we have a very simple setup. I have a microphone for identifying my voice. I have a LED which is connected to a home model, and I have a Raspberry Pi all connected to each other. So the concept is whenever I say light on, the LED must turn on. Whenever I say light off, the LED must be turned off. So that is how the code is written. So here you can see the softwares used are Python and Raspbian OS again for the same purpose. So now let's just run the code. It is asking me to say something initially. Light on. So you can see the LED gets turned on. Let's say light off, and the LED gets turned off. So that is how the procedure is. Light on, the LED gets turned on. Lights off, and the LED should get turned off. As you can see, the LED gets turned off. So that is how the concept is. It can be used for many more home appliances as well. The concept holds good for rest of the appliances as well. Hope you guys understood. Thank you so much.